In this video, I will show you how you can turn off the screen of your iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max. If you're trying to turn off the screen of your iPhone 15 Pro or the Pro Max, but if you have noticed that the screen is still turned on, now this is because the always on display feature is turned on. Now to turn off this feature, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now under settings, just scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option for always on display. Now just tap on it. Now if you want to use the always on display feature, but if you want to turn off the screen or if you don't want to show the wallpaper, so just disable the toggle for show wallpaper. And if you turn off the screen, the phone will be turned off and just the lock screen clock will appear on the screen. But if you want to turn off the screen completely, so just go back to settings. And from here, just disable the toggle for always on display. And after you do that, you will turn off the screen of your iPhone completely. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.